Hey guys, are you ready to bake some bread? Back in the time I had a baking teacher and he gave me a great curry bread recipe. And that's what I'm going to show you today. The curry powder will give a beautiful yellow color to the bread. And curry, nuts and raisins together taste really good. So do you like baking bread and you want to try something new? Then give this recipe a try. Thank you for visiting my channel, enjoy the video. Put all of your dry ingredients into a bowl, except for the filling of course. Start mixing slowly and add your cold water during the mixing. Keep mixing until everything is well mixed. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. So when your dough looks like this, it's time to start mixing fast. Keep mixing until your dough is smooth and extensible. This will take around 6 minutes. It's very important to have a soft and extensible dough, otherwise you will get problems mixing your filling into the dough. Your dough is now ready for the filling. Now mix slowly again until everything is well mixed. Now take a bowl and grease it with some oil. Take your dough, shape it round and cover it, and then let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour your dough should be double in size. Now you can deflate it. Now we are going to pre-shape our dough. I suggest to use some flour to prevent it from sticking. Cover your dough again and let it rest for 15 minutes. When the 15 minutes have passed, we will shape the dough into its final shape. And then we will use this proofing basket to let the dough proof in. And use some flour again. Your dough is now ready to be shaped into a bread. Put your bread upside down into your proofing basket. Cover it again and let it proof until it's double in size. This will take around 1 hour. To bake the perfect bread you need steam inside your oven. So when you don't have a steam function, I would suggest to use a baking pot like this. We call it a Dutch oven. It will keep the moist inside and help your bread to expand and burst properly. It's very important to preheat your oven, including the baking pot. After 1 hour my dough is double in size and ready to bake. Now take your hot baking pot out of the oven. I'm using some rice flour in my baking pot. This way the bread won't stick to the bottom. Thank you for watching. Try my recipe and please let me know what you think. Share it with your friends, family, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.